future of Gundam wasn't about better armor or bigger beam rifles, but about directly connecting the human brain to the Gundam itself. Today we compare two of the most revolutionary and terrifying control systems in Gundam history: the Gund format from the Witch from Mercury and the Alea Vijnana system from Iron-Blooded Orphans. Both change what it means to be a pilot. Both push the limits of the human body. But which one reigns supreme? Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. The Gund format, developed by Oak's Earth and later Astacasia's Mobile Suit Department, uses per-met particles to form a neural link between a pilot and a Gundam. Think of it as a digital nervous system. The pilot doesn't just control the mobile suit. They feel it, almost like it's an extension of their own body. Now, contrast that with the Alea Vijnana system. This tech, used by Gundam Barbatos and other IBO suits, involves surgically implanting spinal interfaces into the pilot, literally wiring their nervous system to the machine. It's raw, brutal, and extremely invasive. Gund format equals elegant, digital, advanced. Alea Vijnana equals physical, painful, primal. Let's talk about how these systems affect the pilot. In the Gund format, the more the pilot pushes the suit's performance, the higher the per-met score. At higher scores, the Gund format starts accessing deeper layers of the pilot's nervous system. At level 4 and beyond, the pilot begins to risk severe neural feedback, even death. Soleta Mercury can operate high scores because of her cyber-enhanced body, but for normal humans, it's lethal. Now compare that to Alea Vijnana. Takadan's child soldiers undergo painful surgery, and the more implants they get, the faster they react. But it comes at a cost: chronic pain, potential brain damage, and loss of basic motor functions if overused. Mikazuki August, pilot of Barbatos, eventually becomes paralyzed on one side due to pushing the system too far. Both systems give godlike control, but at a devastating price. Here's where things get intense. Gund format allows for instantaneous reaction, seamless drone control via Gund bits, and even adaptive AI feedback. Aerial can predict enemy movements, launch simultaneous attacks, and shift defense in real time. It's like having 360 degrees battlefield awareness. Meanwhile, the Alea Vijnana system focuses on raw pilot reflexes. Mikazuki could move Barbatos with animal-like instinct, dodging bullets, cutting down mobile suits in seconds, and controlling physical momentum like no one else. It's visceral and physical, perfect for close-quarters combat. Gund format dominates in long-range, aerial combat with overwhelming coordination. Alea Vijnana is built for one-on-one brutality, in the dirt, blade to blade. So in a fight, open field plus range equals Gund format wins. Close combat plus endurance equals Alea Vijnana takes it. The biggest question isn't just power, it's morality. The Gund format was originally meant for medical purposes, helping disabled people control prosthetics. But when militarized, it became deadly. People died in testing. Pilots were sacrificed. It led to the ban on Gundams in the Vanitas incident. On the other hand, Alea Vijnana was never ethical. It used child soldiers, often orphans, and required permanent surgery to operate. Takadan were treated like disposable tools by Earth's elite. In both cases, power comes at the cost of human lives. So, here's the big question. If Ariel and Barbatos met in battle, which would win? Honestly, it depends. Ariel's Gund format gives superior coordination, AI support, and advanced drone control. Barbatos with Alea Vijnana has brutal speed, destructive melee, and no hesitation. But if we go by technological advancement, the Gund format is more scalable, more adaptable, and likely to evolve further. In raw emotional power and survivability, Alei Vijnana is unmatched because it doesn't just push the body, it pushes the soul.